Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving into the groundbreaking world of Apple's next rugged innovation, the Apple Watch Ultra 3. This isn't just another smartwatch upgrade. It's a bold leap in wearable tech designed for explorers, fitness lovers, and tech enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance, even in the harshest environments. With whispers of new features, stronger connectivity, smarter health monitoring, and refined durability, the Ultra 3 might just be the most advanced Apple Watch ever created. A new standard in rugged smartwatch from the Ultra 1 to the upcoming Ultra 3, Apple has aimed to redefine what a smartwatch can be. More than just a timepiece, the Apple Watch Ultra series has grown into a symbol of resilience and capability. Built to handle extreme adventures from snowy summits to desert trails, each generation has brought refinements. But now, with the Ultra 3, Apple is reportedly taking things to the next level. Confirmed release timeline and trusted sources, industry heavyweights like Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, and media outlets like TechRadar and Apple Insider all suggest a September 2025 launch, likely alongside the iPhone 17. Apple reportedly delayed the Ultra 3 from 2024 to implement cutting-edge health tech, like blood pressure monitoring, a decision that shows Apple's commitment to perfection over speed. Iconic titanium build. Now more refined, Apple is keeping the titanium case and signature orange action button, hallmarks of the Ultra line, but insiders hint at subtle refinements: a 2.12-inch display, a thinner profile, and a potentially new brownish silver finish. These changes aim to enhance comfort while keeping the device as bold and rugged as ever. The Ultra 3 continues to balance form and function, appealing to both adventurers and those who simply want a watch that looks premium. Advanced display, LTPO3 OLED brilliance, forget micro for now. The Ultra 3 will introduce a brighter LTPO3 OLED display, expected to deliver up to 40% more brightness and superior power efficiency. That means ultra-clear readability, whether you're hiking under blinding sunlight or skiing through reflective snow. It's all about clarity when and where it matters most. Under the hood, the S10 chip and AI upgrade. Apple's new S10 processor brings major speed boost, enabling smoother performance and enhanced on-device machine learning. While full Apple Intelligence features may not be available due to RAM limitations, the enhanced quad-core neural engine ensures improved responsiveness and smarter interactions. Paired with your iPhone 17, however, the Ultra 3 could unlock powerful AI health insights through iOS 19 and watchOS 12. Connectivity without compromise, satellite plus 5G. One of the biggest upgrades is expected to be satellite messaging support, giving users the ability to send emergency or standard messages even without cellular service. Combine this with 5G RedCap, a battery-friendly version of 5G, and the Ultra 3 is shaping up to be Apple's most independent smartwatch yet. This freedom is ideal for off-grid adventurers, remote workers, or anyone looking to leave their phone behind without losing touch. Health tracking breakthroughs, blood pressure on your wrist. Apple Watch Ultra 3 is poised to introduce blood pressure monitoring, not for medical diagnosis, but as a preventative tool to alert you to potential hypertension. This feature, along with Apple's existing heart and activity tracking, shows Apple's continued investment in your long-term health. Note: blood oxygen monitoring may be restricted in the US due to patent issues, but will still be available in other regions like the EU. Still missing, but eagerly awaited: non-invasive glucose monitor and real-time hydration tracking, a feature that could be a game-changer for athletes and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Battery and charging enhancements. Battery life is projected to remain at 36 hours, but with more efficient chips and display tech, users may notice extended life in real-world use. Also rumored, a larger charging coil that could significantly improve charge speed, less downtime, more action, smarter software. With watchOS 12, the Ultra 3 will ship with watchOS 12, promising smarter notifications, enhanced health features, and deeper iPhone integration. With partial support for Apple Intelligence, the Ultra 3 could act as an AI-driven health assistant, offering personalized suggestions and real-time alerts through seamless communication with your iPhone. A worthwhile investment at $799 expected to launch at $799. The Ultra 3 stays true to its premium pricing strategy. You're not just buying a smartwatch, you're investing in a rugged, health-focused, fully connected wrist companion that's built to last. If you're serious about performance and durability, it's hard to beat. Strap compatibility. No need to rebuy worried about your band collection. Don't be. Current leaks suggest full backward compatibility with existing Apple Watch Ultra bands, meaning your current accessories should still work seamlessly with the Ultra 3. Should you upgrade? If you're an Apple Watch Ultra 2 user, the decision will come down to how much you value upgrades like blood pressure tracking, satellite messaging, and brighter display tech. If you're new to the Ultra line or using a basic model like the Series 7 or say, the Ultra 3 will feel like a giant leap forward. Final thoughts. Is this the smartwatch you've been waiting for? The Apple Watch Ultra 3 isn't about gimmicks. It's about solid, impactful upgrades that matter in real life. From serious health monitoring and satellite communication to smarter AI-powered experiences and robust battery life, this is the ultimate companion for those who push boundaries. So, whether you're exploring mountains or just navigating a busy workday in the city, the Ultra 3 ensures you stay connected, protected, and informed, all from your wrist. If you're as excited as we are, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for the latest updates on Apple Watch Ultra 3 and more groundbreaking tech news, right here on Technology in the Future.